Crossing motor vehicles damage the surface of the cycleways sometimes, making patches necessary. When you see such markings on the surface and the road is announced to be closed, you know repairs are going to be done. This temporary patch was made much smoother with new asphalt. Bricks had a purpose temporarily, but nothing is better than a new coat of red asphalt. Sidewalks and traffic islands look much fresher with replaced paving. Bumpy connections between the cycleway and the crossing can be made a lot smoother. And sometimes a curb needs to be relocated just a bit to make turning easier. Tiles can be reused, but in a smoother way. All things combined, this intersection is perfect again for quite some time to come.